Alright, early morning out here. Got the yaks set up. About to put them on the truck. Gonna be doing a long freshwater paddle today. So, it's about 6 in the morning. Got the yaks out. Oh. And then, gonna be taking them up the river. Wow. Driving through the forest, baby! Yeah! Wow. We're out here, we got a nice little garter snake. Woo! Heck yeah. Woo! We got our yaks. The Santee River. We're out here. Look, there's a gator swimming across the water up there. Well, we're gonna try to take this route, but doesn't look like we can pass. Wow. Well, we were going down here, saw a buzzard, was wondering what it was looking at, and it's this dead gator. Oh my gosh. Definitely smells. It's kind of crazy. He's just laid out there. What the heck? Creepy. Check it out. Coming up on a big gar. See that thing swimming? Oh, it's going in front of my kayak now. Ooh. Came around this corner. There's, just a few hundred fiddler crabs over here hanging out. Great habitat. We got a nice boy up here on the bank. Wow. What a beauty. Paddling out here on this hive of some sort. Having a nice little rain shower. Kind of nice. Won't have to shower for the rest of the day. Must have known I was dirty. Woo! There he is. Little Steve Johnson. Look at his little trail that he made. Wow. We got a small boy right here. Up on his own bank. Wow. Let's get a shot of that eye. Wow. Super cool. Made it to the lunch spot. There's this creepy thing hanging from this tree. Wow. Well, had to pee, so I took a walk. Sorry for interrupting. My goodness. Carry on. All right, 10 miles down and 3 to go. Let's do it. We got a barred owl. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, he looks so cool. Look at that camo too. Kind of blends in with the background. Alright, it was a long day, 14-mile paddle. Had some fun, saw some gators, saw some other cool things. Well, that's it for today.